Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the rewind effect in CapCut PC. Alright, so import your video you like to edit, and after done you are just going to add to the track, and you can see my original video like this, and I'm going to make the rewind effect this video. Just copy paste, and for the second clip, I'm going to select reverse button. Just click on reverse button to reverse the clip. Just wait according to the duration of the video. Takes a long time. And after done, I'm going to make it faster. So just go to speed, and you can swipe to the right for the faster. So and see the final result. Uh, yeah, I think this simple tutorial for you guys who are using CapCut PC for the first time. Alright, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.